Under me in your bed, I felt it. I tried to be chill, but just so hot that I melted. I felt right through the cracks, and now I'm trying to get back. Before the cool runs out, I'll be giving it my best. Listen, nothing's gonna stop it but divine intervention. I reckon it's again my turn to win some more, learn some, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and then you're free. Look into your heart and you'll find love, love, love. Listen to the music and the moment, maybe sing with me. I love peaceful melody. It's your God speaking right to you. Love, 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 love. So I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm sure there's no need to complicate. Our time is short. This is our fate. I'm yours. Up and walk again. Whoa, 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 oh, 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 I've been spending way too long checking my tongue in the mirror and bending over backwards just to try to see it clearer. But my breath bug up the glass and so true in the face and back. I guess what I'm saying is there ain't no been a reason to reach yourself with vanity and just go with the season. It's what we aim to do. Our name is our virtue, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Well, open up your mind, see like me. Open up your plans and then you're free. It's your God forsaken right to be love, love, love. Please don't, please don't, please don't. There's no need to complicate, 'cause our time is short. This and this and this is our fate.